Shalom, my name is Michael Decker, and I'm a lawyer within the law offices of Cohen Decker Pex and Brosh. Today I wanted to discuss regarding a very important and practical matter that's relevant with regards to dealings with lawyers and law offices and their relationships with clients. When basically a client approaches a lawyer, and especially when we're dealing with cases where there is an expectation on behalf of the client for some kind of direct financial remuneration, it is very, very important for a professional and honest and straightforward lawyer to explain to the clients about the legal probability of the case, but not only the legal probability, also the financial profitability of a case. First of all, regarding legal probabilities, it's very important to understand that it is impossible for a lawyer to promise a client 100% success. It's not even logical in many ways, if you think about it, because in the end of the day, law isn't math. And justice isn't math, and you have different approaches to cases, and you have different opinions, even by two very professional and educated legal scholars. You can have two different opposing opinions. Each one will think something else. So it's really impossible for a lawyer to promise a client 100% probability. All a lawyer can do in the end of the day is explain what the risks are and what the chances are in his opinion. And even here, it will only be an estimation. So this is very important, of course, to get from your lawyer the legal probability of success of a case. However, there are many situations where even if the legal probability is really, really high and the chances of success are very, very high, there is just no financial profitability in the case. And this happens a lot. This occurs a lot. And this is very important not only for the clients in the end of the day, but also for the lawyer. It makes no sense, financially speaking, in a pure financial approach, for a client to pay a lawyer more than what he will get in the end of the day when the whole purpose of this case is financial profit at the end of the day. Now, there are many legal areas that don't only involve financial profitability, like libel and slander, of course, criminal cases, immigration law. So I'm putting those cases aside, and I'm mainly focusing on matters that are focused on some kind of financial profit for the client in the end of the day, like torts law, labor law, contractual disputes, and so on and so forth. And it also doesn't make sense in the end of the day for a lawyer, because remember that a lawyer in the end of the day has a business to run, might have salaries to pay, has an overhead he needs to cover, and it just doesn't make sense to take a case that has very, very low financial profitability, even if the legal probability is very, very high. So in the end of the day, this is very important advice, also for the lawyer and also for the client. It's very important when looking at the full picture to also have a very good understanding of the legal probability of a case before a lawyer takes it and before a client gives a case to a lawyer, and the financial profitability of a case. I hope that this explanation was clear, and if you have any further questions or clarifications, you can feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to be of assistance. Thank you for your time.